What's up everyone, and welcome to the channel. I wanted to do a quick video to shout out a company that I think is pretty awesome to deal with. Plus they have some pretty awesome products. The company I'm talking about, and this is not sponsored by them in any way, shape, or form, just had a very good customer service experience with them, so I want to give them a shout out. JLT Performance. So one of the very first mods I did on the Hellcat was the splash guards. And these are from JLT Performance. There's also another company, Z01 Add-ons, that makes them, but I liked the JLT design better, so I went ahead and picked them up. You can see the edge of the you can see the edge of the flap there actually mirrors the angle of the side skirt, so that was one of the reasons why I wanted them. The other reason was, and you're not going to be able to really tell with the factory wheels on, but when you get back behind this thing, when I have my 315s on, this mud flap, rock guard, splash guard, whatever you want to call it, it sticks out so far that it still protects the quarter panel even with 315s on. I ran those 315s for 3,000 miles, and the quarter panel on both sides behind the rear wheels is pristine. Nothing. No chips, no rocks. The one time I did take it to the track, I didn't even have any. I didn't even have any rubber there because it all collected on the face of the mud flap. So, love the products, but the reason why I'm giving them a shout out is for the front mud flap. You can see there's this clip that holds it to the body panel. Man, I missed a lot of stuff when I just washed the car. Holy shit. But I digress. So there's a clip right in there that, you know, attaches the top to the body panel. Somewhere along the line, I lost this side. You can see it's not there. I have it temporarily attached with some 3M double-sided tape, but it's gone. So what happened was I contacted JLT through Facebook and asked them if it was possible to purchase just the clips. I mean, I was planning on having to pay for it. I mean, I don't know where I lost it. I don't know if it came off at some point while it was getting ceramic coated. I have no idea. But just wanted to check to see if there was any way I could buy just the clips. So I chatted with them through Facebook, and I believe it was Vinny that got back to me. And he said, sure. He said, you know, when did you get them? I said, I told him that I got them back in May of last year. So, I mean, I'm talking, it's almost a year since I bought these things. And he looked my order up and just sent me a pair. Didn't have to pay for them. Didn't have to pay for shipping. I mean, I was ready to pay for them. And like I said, I expected to pay for them considering, you know, I lost them. I don't know where it went to. So, you know, I fully expected to pay for it. So the fact that JLT was willing to just send some to me, I think that's awesome. I think that's awesome customer service. And in this day and age where, you know, customer service, you know, really has taken a hit, and, you know, some companies just don't know what customer service is. It's kind of a lost art form for some customers, some companies. Holy crap. So anyway, like I said, just wanted to do a quick video shout out for JLT. If you guys are looking for, you know, if you have a Charger and you're looking for some mud flaps or rock guards or splash guards or whatever you want to refer to these things as, check out their site. I'll actually link to them in the description for the video. They also have an awesome cold air intake for the Hellcats. Unfortunately, I have not yet been able to secure the funds for that, but I also did buy their catch can. So they definitely have a lot of products. Definitely check out their site. They have a bunch of stuff for in the engine bay, dress up stuff. They do hydro dipping, custom painted parts. Give them a check out on the internet, and hopefully you'll find something you like. Thanks for watching.